Hi students, we have already discussed that how human resource is important for the development. Now we will see the quality of population. The quality of population depends upon the literacy rate, health of a person. Illiterate and unhealthy populations are a liability for the economy. Literary and healthy population are an asset. First, we will see about the education. It is an important input which opened a new horizon, provided new aspiration, and developed values of life. Education contribute towards the growth of society also. It enhances the national income. Government has taken many steps to increase the level of education. The expenditure of education as a percentage of GDP rose from 0.64% in 1952 to 3.11% in 2012. The literacy rate of urban areas is more than rural areas. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan is a significant step towards the providing elementary education, and all children in this age of group is 6 to 14 years. Midday meal scheme has been implemented to encourage attendance and retention of children and improve their nutritional status. The 11th plan endeavored to increase the enrollment in higher education of the 18 to 23 years of age. Now we will see the health condition. The health of a person helps from to release his potential and ability to fight illness. An unhealthy person becomes a liability for an organization indeed. Our national policy too aims at improving the accessibility of health care. If we look at our present situation, we can see how COVID-19 affect the economic condition of our country. Because due to this situation, many services have stopped, many people unemployed, and those who are working out of them, many are under the circle of COVID. And due to this, our GDP and national income affected. Now we will see the employment structure of our economy. Unemployment. If we will see that in our economy, unemployment exists. It exists when people want to work but not get the job. In India, we find seasonal and disguised unemployment. What is mean by seasonal unemployment? Seasonal unemployment occurs when people not get job in a particular season or a month. What do you mean by then disguised unemployment? Now, disguised unemployment means the people are working, but actually they are not working. It generally seen in agricultural sector where people, 5 people are working the work of 3 people. In this case, 2 of the people are said to be disguised unemployment, because actually in the agricultural sector the family members are working. All the family members are working in the field, so the output which comes, it is same like 3 or 5 are working, but the output is same. That's why the 2 people are called disguised unemployment. Now the unemployment, if you will see, the unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resources. People who are an asset of the economy turns into the liability of the economy. If we see the employment scenario in the 3 sectors, we can see that agriculture is the most labor absorbing sector of the economy. In secondary sector, small scale manufacturing is the labor absorbing. In case of tertiary sector, various new services are now we can see appearing, like biotechnology, information technology, and so on. So if we see in these three sectors, so tertiary sector is going far than the other two sectors, because people are getting much more facilities than other two sectors. Okay, thank you.